Yeah, man. For the first time watch the channel, please do subscribe. With the 99, so just need a little bit more to make it up, right? So we're not to talk about this too much, right? You know what I mean? But this is a part two. You know what I mean? This is part two. No. This is one 15 and pregnant. See girl who are pregnant gone up the road so. Scan the body there. Alright, so look out for more. Remember tomorrow I'm Earth Strong. Same way. You know what I mean? Enough love. Burn it down.
Hello, B.E., that them say. If them breathe, them not go dash it well. It's curious, me no care what nobody will say. The girls, them love me, them love me, them love me. Love me, them love me, them love me. Crazy takes one kiss and hug me. Say them now put them boyfriend above me. Cause them love me, them love me, them love me. Love me, them love me, them love me. Crazy takes one kiss and hug me. Some say me cute, some say me ugly. Forget the coochie, me no use Spanish fly. Girl, them love for me kerchief tie. From the brave to the pool to the shy. Say them born with something to give I. What if I coulda never be for another guy? In a public bathroom, girl, G-string a fly. Love girl badly, so me can't satisfy. Girl, I call me phone and them a cry. Say them love me, them love me, them love me. Love me, them love me, them love me. Crazy text, one kiss and hug me. Say them now put nothing above me. God, them love me, them love me, them love me. Some say me cute, some say me ugly. Now put nothing above me. She just love me. Them love me more when me in a them. Whisper in them ears and me sing for them. Use my finger, give them goose print to them. She said, please baby, just print it then. Take it out and me put it in. I'ma take it out like he shot where she hold I know. Then I sing the song by my pen road. God, them love me, them love me, them love me. Love me, them love me, them love me. Them a call me Bella, so they won't carry my baby. God, them love me, them love me, them love me. Love me, them love me, them love me. Some say me cute, some say me ugly. Still the girls them just love me. No.
Yo,
One, one.
me there now. Me why you come check me? Me over me yard. Me in the back of the yard there.
Alright, you know, me up on the road, me calling. I'm nearby to you know.
Alright, so come check me now.
Alright.
Okay. Oh my God, I want to clean up man. Let's forget not to come clean up my yard there. So me not even have no money. Money rough and tight like a virgin. Yeah.
Mama Jai.
Yeah, me there. What you say?
Let's see how go on now.
You want me to move, you know?
Yeah.
Want to go up in the country.
As like you, alright, country, me don't know, the road good or road bad.
You wasn't that good enough?
I mean, no, say road in Jamaica not so good enough. And Eddie wagon me, but anyway, our work, it must help pay for itself.
Amen.
So, you see, give me 125, kind of look for food stuff I get me contact tomorrow. That's how I go?
Same.
Yeah, man.
My one sister come down, you know.
Yeah.
But they so damn mean in your yard, if you but she promised to say she got little things for me, so.
Yeah, so I'm on the work though.
Yeah, man.
And I can get it.
Yeah, definitely so.
Yeah, me have a local bills to clear up, man. Because I trust us up on the bridge. More than one customer, so I have to try to pay.
Oh, say one pay it up.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So tomorrow I want ship.
Tomorrow you want to move out?
Yeah, about 9 the latest.
Alright, true, you know, so the vehicle slow. Go you try push out at least 7 then.
7?
So we can reach in time.
Alright, that's
Because
good.
I now rush. You see, patrol them, where you have to go down in, they have to take the time, go down in it,
Then come back.
and then come back out. Okay, time I go, so shoot, but we must tire. So then go down in it, because the patrol them in Jamaica, then deep.
And then now they're not fixing, you know.
Every time them patchy, the patch jump out. So, down in there, and come on. So,
Alright.
a morning,
So
7 o'clock.
Alright, maybe they're not wait for you.
Alright, we are Jamaican, we must know time.
True.
Cause the time we're in and now we must know the time, say it's separation time. So we have to move with the time. Like how the breadfruit them are grow up, cause at least them go save we, you know.
Of course.
Then go save it from hungry. So farming is very important. That's why I like the countryside.
And it
food
loaded, you
farming.
know? It loaded.
Yeah, man. As soon as I get the breadfruit them ready up, I make me know.
Yeah, man,
Cause
me make you know, man.
the mind panda to start one different business
Yeah.
from the chartering, because the chartering is for every day.
Me make you know.
You understand?
Yeah, definitely
Alright.
so.
Anytime breadfruit them ready, let me know.
Alright, peace and love, you hear?
Alright, the morning.
So definitely morning, 7 o'clock. Alright. Me ready, I wait for you.
Hello. Daddy. What going? You know, say I come call up tell you those some of our new on the way. Yeah, never want me. I hear if you fit me off Yeah, me have one new on the way. Remember say no one me say no enough people in our band nowadays. So me just there do my part and I multiply. Multiply. Yeah. Are they ready? Yeah, they ready. Yeah. Same like how you give mommy 2 pitney and you run and left her. Remember say you never did that for me, no? But although you never did it for me, I make you proud. So maybe if I bring in more youth in our world, maybe you're that proud of me. Yeah. How that me I do? Alright. And the next thing, from when they say I'm going to send me a piece of US money, I'll know. From when they ever find out, I'll send a little piece of money come give me. No matter, not because I tell you I'm going to make you proud of carrying all the youth in the society and then something. Anywhere I walk your road, me and you have it up. Maybe a piece of beat. If you do better, man. If you do better, man, if you step up. Anyhow, me not get the US money there before me see a road, me I go give a piece of beating. You go on. Make send the money come give me. And then send the money come give me. Alright, now wait.
Hi girl, how about? Hi. I go? Yeah. Where you come from? Come here, see you.
My name?
My name Riri.
Oh, I'm just moving out here, yeah.
Oh. You can't carry on, I'm making way here right now. So what's your name?
My name Kayla.
Okay, Kayla. Like you have a big summer when this due.
If you know, 2 more months from now.
But
See you good and everything?
yeah, me alright, me just say me I come out this time me chilling feel like me come out come cool out. So what
But-
go on? Yeah, what go?
One of my friends me come up and look for so.
Who
But-
that eh?
One girl named Mona. Me say she lives to me up on one hill or something. Mm-hmm.
Me no alright now.
So me I will look for her. So me I can link up tomorrow any other day.
Yeah, give me a number now.
Alright. 568
Mm-hmm.
28 73.
Alright, me shall call you.
Alright, girl, later.
Yeah. Alright, girl.
Wake up. You sleep too much. You sleep too much. Wake up. You have the door wide open. I go inside me live. And the door wide open and you're fast asleep. Anybody can come in here and take out anything. See me make mistake and left all my handbag on the bed. It could have gone and my phone in there.
Mommy, me just don't understand those doors way. And I like say I plan
So you're
to
pregnant
see.
too?
No, mommy.
No, mommy. Why your name stink down over center this up? Over beach.
Boa.
Say you get a fight man. Your name stink a road. And so me grow you?
Mommy, listen to me.
Mommy,
I say.
mommy this, mommy that.
Me never listen.
Mommy tira what's it not. Everything is mommy. Cause you never listen to me yet. You know no shame. Why you gonna fight girl over man? Look how much man there.
Mommy, when you listen to your story, you hear it good. Listen it good and come with it good. Cause me never did a fight nobody over nobody.
Son, you me daughter, no, you name clear.
Me just listen story now. I don't mean me sit down me over the beach with Bob. Right? Sit down and talk to Bob and have a civil conversation. And the girl just come up to me and just grab me in my ear and start lick me and start lick Bob. So I like say me go pick fight with nobody.
Alright. Here I know. So me know how you stay. Me know how you say me I take up for people. And me not believe you as my daughter. Here I know. You see, as from today, make it be the last you and people in an argument for man. Man free, you know. You not fi buy them. So if one no want you and need another woman, you leave him, make him go. And you find another man. And move on with your life. You don't need to sit down in one relationship and suffer the consequences when man a do to you. Your little heart. Leave you insecure and be a pain in your brain. Send up your blood pressure and then something there. You a stress you love so?
No.
You
Mommy.
ever see me and your father they fight over no woman or no man yet?
No. Mommy.
Okay. Him not cuss me about no man and me not cuss him about no woman. You understand? I know some me grow you, me no want hear this from you or nobody again. You hear what me say?
Yes, Mommy.
Tia, make it done right here so. Me not go prolong the argument with you and continue it with you. Me no come to cuss you, me just want to know how the thing go down. As your mates stink on the beach. Right now if you go down there here, people just have the talk like a round table talk, like they in a parliament, they debate on it. You know when them have election? Yes. That's how them are going down. You carry down shame and disgrace on the family. Me not like it. Me don't like it. What you have to say? Tell me, because you need to get a grip of yourself and understand yourself and know say when you disgrace yourself over one man a road, one next good man we out there we want you. Go see and they say, glad God, me think say that the girl that went down class. Look for who him a fight over. Look for who should they fight over. Who you fight over? Mr. Nobody.
Mommy, me tell you, me never done fight over him.
Cuss or quarrel. Did you know that two persons can cuss and you call it fight same way? You know if you physically fist and kick and whatever you want to call it. And fight same way.
I'm with me here.
Just not bother with them little dirty corruption argument they again pan road. Because I disgrace that. You shame yourself and a call down crowd and sing and then know people take your name all. You know what them I say? Candidate cheer. A candidate and the boy and the girl they down and sing side a big war down there. Them a fight over man. Anyway, you clean up the place?
Yes, you eat?
Where they rank with me for? Me look like a little dirty butter foot boy them way about the road. Me ask you if you cook you ask me if me eat. No, you have some me and you live.
Mommy,
So if you're cooking here and me was not here, how me I go eat? Girl, if I choke you today, if I grab that wild pipe you way you have in your throat hole, no ring with me have manners. Say apologize man.
I'm sorry.
Me no want that. How are you going to tell me that you are sorry?
I'm sorry.
Mommy, I am sorry and I'm not going to disrespect you in that way again. We can't fast before me look up your head in my board.
Mom, I'm sorry, I'm not going to disrespect you again. Mommy, I said we should do it quick and
Oh,
fast.
so true because you don't reach too much age now and I'm on a road, you don't feel so much to disrespect me. You soon come out here. Soon and very soon.
Mommy, but I use something for do it quick and fast.
But you're supposed, even if you say it fast, if you not get what me and say, you're supposed to say it in the right way. Mommy, I am sorry and
Mommy, I am sorry
And
and
I'm
I'm not going to disrespect you in that manner again.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh my God. walk up here, I can't look for.
We are come.
Oh, gosh.
How do you know?
How do you back there? I can't say
You
no.
just want baby man.
Yeah, 7 months. Anyways, you say you come, say me I look for.
What the problem?
Come here, I say if me coulda stay with you. Yeah, because me tell you the truth, my mother put me out and my baby father run off gone. Girl, I want to something me go through. I want something yesterday. I want man yard me sleep. I only one night I coulda sleep there.
So what you think then, babe? My friend, so I just help you out.
Yeah, cause you know say me have friends from school, you know. But as me I say,
Support you in everything, man.
but as me I say, me can't be say Bob really do me them like something, the girl.
And you know who you take up.
No girl, Bob tell me say he love me, you know. Bob tell me say he love me. Bob tell me say I mean one. Bob tell me
That's a
something
sweet
they look me and Bob on beach side everything. You must beat me get for Bob much one, me get for Bob alone. I'm doing for long. I love Bob.
Oh, you love Bob?
Yeah, you look Bob get up, gone left me. Breed me left me.
Me there for you, man. Me there for you and the baby.
Can't believe it,
You
girl.
just, you come on with me.
Yeah, you must have clothes can't give me. Come in no clothes.
Yeah, me have some clothes up
Me
my
tell you, my mother. My mother just take me up and just dash me out.
Because I'm underage, so.
That doesn't say me underage, she shouldn't put me, she try with me. Try with me, man. You can't stick up, get up and you say that to your daughter. If
No, me I talk to her and just help her out to make up put
right now I'm
up
pregnant and I want boy baby. If I did want girl, me need that show me boy. Me need that show the boy at all.
Say the baby a girl.
I
After
never
50
know.
chance you have. Any dash way? Probably a live, probably a dead. Stare the baby. Me I go up and me carry her with me. Me I just think that I fit her.
Alright.
Come on, come.
Oh God.
That's my baby. Belly drop.
Yeah, drop.
Where you set your face up?
Because anytime you call me, say you want to talk to me or something, some foolishness you come
How what foolishness? When last you see Kayla? A long time I don't see her.
I couldn't tell. I don't know. Now you're goddaughter. Now you feel know what she did.
A long time I don't see her. I wonder if she alright.
I don't know.
Well, come to talk about Kayla. Listen, you know. You're a virgin still?
You know what kind of question that you ask me? No most virgin still.
I mean, you're you know. So I'm free to ask you anything. You're 16-year-old.
Mama, me are 17.
Yeah, so me here say you have it on the road that tell man, oh, you're 17, you're 16 plus your birthday not come yet. And me go find out if you're a virgin still. You're still a virgin?
Yes, mama.
How you can prove that?
Mama, me a virgin. I can't take my word for it. Me never have sex before. Mummy, me a wait till me out school.
How much I want to look on no mother and tell them that on when time we look with someone with belly?
Mummy, you have to trust me. You see me with belly? No, talk truth. You see me with belly yet? No.
Now go show us so quick. Me not say you're pregnant, me never say that. Me say, make sure say you're not pregnant. And make sure say you're a virgin because me carry a doctor.
Mummy, I don't need to carry my god doctor. Me say me a virgin. Just believe me now.
Well, I don't disbelieve you, but I need to prove it for myself.
Alright, mummy.
So, anyway, that me did want to talk to you about.
So I know you can get doctor?
So, come on now. Where they turn up the sofa, you never hear when me say me okay, a doctor. That means they go now.
Mummy.
Oi, sit down, so sit down.
Mummy, I'm sorry.
What that the doctor say?
Mummy, I'm sorry. Me never know say doctor did that.
You never know say doctor go do. Talk. Why you never know say doctor go do?
Mummy, me never know say doctor could have known say.
You're
Could
not
have just
virgin.
tell the truth and
Talk it out to your dirty mouth. You never know say doctor could have test you and know say you is not a virgin. Tell me, you talk to me. Can you make me put word in your mouth? Tell me what you say.
Me never know say the doctor could have test me and know say me are no virgin. As me just tell the truth and the get go.
So, me born one liar. And
Mummy,
every liar is a thief.
Mummy, sometimes
Every
when
thief is a liar.
when you're little, you never used to tell lie if you get out of trouble.
Say me are no virgin. And say, mommy, yes, me a virgin. Or me are no virgin, or me a virgin. Which one of them you talk?
Body verge. Any lie at all. Forget yourself out of
Nobody is perfect. You will have tell lie when you become, but this a lie where you tell. He's serious, He's serious, man. He's serious. Eh? What? Wait, let me answer one question. Why your front left and the right and gone over your left? I see you when they do road. Then I mash up your poor little body. Why your crutches twist from the left and gone to the right? And that me say, me know no secret with you now.
Mommy, me don't know.
Eh?
Me don't know.
No wonder why me see your jaw scratches tear out and put them around one corner. And you hide it. You don't know so me go see. Then, what kind of man that day? Why you do to yourself? Eh? And you like it, you constantly go back and go back. Eh? You're not a virgin. And you lie. You know what? You're lucky today. Hey, me say you're lucky today. Say you're not pregnant. That is it. You're lucky.
Mommy, after me not sexy pregnant. Me just...
So, hold on there. A long time you had to do this thing. You know when you go get pregnant when you have sex? Eh? If I went so good enough, people wouldn't bother do the sitting there because they don't want to breathe. You don't see your time hard. Eh? You don't see your time hard. You're ready to come put yourself in a separation. You, 16-year-old, you don't reach 17, you know? You're 17 plus.
You see?
At 16 plus, me say mistake me make and you're glad when me say it and me do it in spite. You see you jump up quick, can me say you're at 18 plus when you go say, come on, me know you say you're a big woman. You're 16, that means if you're not 17, you're 16 plus, so you're going to need that 2 minutes to significant job. At 18 plus when you go, little girl. If me open my eye and see you sit down in the chair, then you're taught at this. Get up! Get up because me don't know your way but take man. And now move, you come on to get the little you're too out of that. Keep up.
Mommy, me done brought me virginity already. You'll kill me.
Sorry, you have ring with me now.
But
So when you
it done happen already before you tell me if you not get pregnant. I don't have to tell me.
after me tell you if you not have sex before time and you go do it, then me can tell you how me go stop the pregnancy.
Everybody in my age group a talk about you. I just sit and feel.
You want to try?
And it does feel nice, so me go back.
You go back. And you non-stop go back.
Me stop now.
The man where they chat to, he have a roof over head.
You think so?
You think? Me go show it. Watch your man them catch on now because they know so now idiot. Young, big and stupid. But to your body big, you feel say you're a big woman. You know, tell the man say you're 16, you don't reach 17 yet.
Yeah? 17, so 18.
You don't know if the man have a roof over your head. You don't know if the man have work. Yeah. You don't know a man last name, so suppose him breed. Where you pick me a name? You see say you're a big jackass? You see it?
You can't give me your last name.
Who?
I your Grand Brittany.
Who for last name? I mean breed you. Okay. I mean breed you. Me breed you. Any day you get pregnant in your family, you come out and find the man yard. I mean, I know how you're so big and fool. How you figure there with man and don't know their last name. If I feel wait until when he come out of the house, wherever you go, you can bush in it, make you see one little ID or some identification card, say in name, whatever. That's if I not any day in breed, you know if you pick the name.
Now the doctor did to me, tell him to not tell you.
What did the doctor finna tell me that? Me pay me money for him check you. What do you mean? That ain't job. You're not supposed to tell me no lie and you're a child. But you know there man before, you're lucky, let me tell you something, you're lucky saying you're in a good mood this evening, you know. And you put me in a one bad mood, but me just so try and hold my temper, you know. Me just so try and hold my temper. But, last thing before me go, I better go back out the road right now. Let me tell you something. You start hide and have sex already. Thank God you're not breed yet. But you see, anytime you feel like you want to do that thing again, pack up your things. What me say? Anytime you feel like you're a big woman and you want to go back go do that again, pack up your things them and leave out of my place because you're not breeding your for me. That me say. and go wash up the dirty plate them. Get up. Get up and go run in the kitchen, go wash up the plate them. How me I talk to? Me take your phone and bust in, you know. Me say, figure wash up the plate them.
I'm not in a mood.
You're not in a mood, but
I
you
feel good.
what you mean? If me didn't care that already, mother say you breathe. You try go wash up the plate, make me come back and sit on dirty plate in here. You will see if you don't feel good without talking no more.
When I go over used to sex when I'm younger. Lucky.
Good morning.
Morning. Grandma, you forget this.
Why, grandma? Listen to me. How much money this year? A $2,000 I said come again. You tell us something. You kindly take this $2,000 here and carry go give her back. Tell her I said to put it in her saving fund. Because the money what she have for me, I do not have the time for no $2,000 a month. And I like to me I save to buy one Pro Box. Here, tell us I'm not saving to buy a Pro Box. Me need the whole of my money cash. Because when she charter my vehicle, she charter for me have an old vehicle and me have a new vehicle. I just still not done pay me yet. Tell her say me not taking on $2,000 a month again.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Right, I'm facing.
Something dead now. You don't want puss or one dog.
Yeah man, wanna go on, grandma?
Yeah, I know. What wrong with you?
You know, see me send back the money come here this morning.
Yeah, me I wonder why.
Yeah, because she young. The baby young, so maybe you not tell her deliver the message.
You know, deliver it good.
Yeah, so me I say now, I not safe if I want Pro Box. So the $2,000 a month now go work for me right now. When somebody make a deal, they say that give me the whole of money, I come back. When you come back, you tell me say horse dead and cow fat. You understand?
It's not a matter of that, you know. No, I know that. I know somebody promise you everything one time. But not now go on for me. Everything just slow. You understand? So if you can't take it, 2,000 a month, then what we can do now, you have to go wait a little bit. Give me some time. And let me save up. Go like one time, we just give to you one time instead of give to you piece by piece. You understand what I'm saying?
Alright. Yeah, like my grandmother, so you know what I'm going to do? Just call it a day. Because if you have to pressure yourself to send $2,000 and you say really bad.
He bad man, he bad.
That means your grandparents not look out for you.
No, he bad.
Alright. You can come to me one at a time, then when we get older, come here, take care of
You
them
never
now.
know.
And then, so, I won't say at a time, somebody return the favor to me. Call it a debt release. You're good. Alright, then.
I'm glad
I'm
you
things are spite today, I spite me.
No, man, won't do that, man.
But when you explain something and go on, and this something and go on for show, a job blessing. Me a drive a new car now. I don't want you to take my blessing.
Oh, your car?
Yeah man. I don't want you to take my blessing. Because the AD we're gonna drive over country. After we go up and we lick the patrol also, and we come down, we lick one patrol again, we lick out all of this in them in the control arm, they mash up everything on the bottom of it.
Oh, the wheel alignment.
You remember the patrol on the corner? You think so we go by press of it? And me swing it back so.
round, yeah.
Me I tell you, something wrong with you. If you swing so, you never make the swing so.
You mash up something on it.
Alright, so that garage and Jado send a blessing come away so me I drive one tea there now. So don't worry yourself.
Give him thanks and give it.
Put down that little money we have for me there, use it to something good. Help
Alright.
yourself, alright?
I'm glad that you understand.
Don't worry yourself, man. We are understanding people, you know. But we have to understand first. Because at first I think today I style me and send the silver come with it. Don't realize they're really bad.
You bad man.
A jinglings, me never put jinglings in my pocket I know. In Jamaica, jinglings don't, you know, me there rock the jinglings and so go on. Pop down. So no more jinglings I know, up no. Bless up yourself, see, I go start one new business. So maybe you can, if you want yam, and then something there. Down there, me open up shop now.
Grown
Tap and
provision?
shop. The ground provision, you know what I mean? And them things there. So, if I nothing, you want them type of things there, you can check I. From banana to plantain, to yam, to
Pumpkin.
Irish, to pumpkin, to sweet potato, to carrot, to cho.
The whole 9 yards.
The whole 9 yards.
Alright.
Peas, everything did there.
Alright, say no more. Say no more.
Alright.
Later.
Now open up shop now.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself, grandma.
Alright, peace and love. What the man could I expect me to do something like that? You know me too long to feel that way, then some of that generally. You know what's the thing rough, man? Keeping all the money, you know. Keeping all the money, you know. A hand to move, thing I go on, you know.
Mommy, where you go with food?
Boy. Me I carry some go give me goddaughter. Come remember say she pregnant. And no mind chop her mother no down there. And her mother look like she no mature. Her mother neglect the child. Now she get pregnant. Me have to go tell her what she fi eat. Fi give her iron and then something they like little callaloo. You know what me at
But mommy, different.
liver and then something and she have to go drink milk and cheese and whole it more different something. No mind chop her dirty woman no down there. Anyway, me left here in the pot. Me cook and left here in the pot so you can eat it when you go.
Alright.
So I go on.
Nothing. How about me I go? But differently, mommy. What make you take up care of problem put by your head?
I mean, goddaughter, you know, and godmother must play the role of a real mother. And you know, say mother no have if you take care of her like that. Yes.
That's why she should breed.
No, you know,
But
if
she
you say that,
don't
you know,
breed already, so.
everybody make mistake in a real life, and you know, if you put your mouth on people pitney, you have to thank God say you did have a mother like me. That's why you not breed it, you know. Come here, boy. When I did much small, like people used to carry your name to me, but you may never believe them, and me try to guide you the right way. That's why it not happen to you. Thank
Alright,
God.
mommy, now start part my case.
Yes.
Go and go deliver your food. Me I go home.
But nobody them have the food where you left in the pot, you know. Leave some for me, because I don't eat none yet. You hear?
Alright.
Alright.
Me don't know how she can take up care of problem put on for her head. Nobody listen Kayla go breed.
Hello?
Bob,
Yeah.
what go on?
There, man. Good.
I'll put on this.
Me alright, you know, but me need to talk to you, know, cause you see from what happened with Kayla's situation, me not really pleased about it, and me still kinda in my feelings about it, and so me need to see if I talk to you in person.
Alright. Go check me out. Give me spot to me now, man.
Alright, me I come. Just give me like about half hour and so, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Me no want to hear nothing from you. You is a dirty woman. You is a disgusting woman. All you never fi breed. You not fi have no pitney. Look how much people well want breed and can't breed. And God bless you with one good pitney. And you no neglect the pitney. Eh? You no neglect to no own a child. And make, yeah, you see you? You never fi be our mother. And me our godmother. And God Almighty man. You don't know where your pitney there. You don't know nothing about your youth. No, she a breed. She's a wicked mother. As the great man just called police for you. But she not in there. You, they carry the food to come give her. And from she not there, me not left it. You're a wicked, dirty woman. As long as you see me, do like you not see me. Act like you don't know me. If you see me on the right, take it left. Alia, is a disgrace to motherhood. You. Motherhood, you know what I mean? Is a disgrace to a mother who have children or child. You. I not even gonna say better when dash him way. I mean not go so far. But somehow you know mama, you better know when do it. Because if you don't know say, you don't breed. And if you don't breed and carry pitney for 9 months, and then you don't come make the pitney and suffer, and it's wicked. The pitney them did ask you know, to come for them which part them did there. The pitney them did phone you know, and say come get me carry me on earth. You're a wicked girl. You're a wicked girl and I always believe you. I see it now. You don't know where she there neither. Wicked like her. Not even left for food. Anyway, I see her, I give her, I give somebody else. You're wicked and grateful. Look how I help you with her. And me, stand up in her pitney life like a me, her mother. You have to change your ways. Change your ways. And you act like you're glad to the little girl get pregnant. You're a wicked woman. Dirty woman. Now come back to me and now call up my phone again. Drunk bro. I hate women like what? You don't know if you take care of pitney but you don't want man to breed. You know all somebody want a dirty girl. No man not to breed you know. How no crosses to pregnancy nation. You wicked man. Let you when car come left her down on the yard. Wicked.
Yeah, man, you know, so yeah, I start that local thing on man road, man. You don't want your green banana, you want your nice little things, them, man. You just go and check, man. Egg, you want pine, you want cabbage, you have everything around there, so, man. Yeah, I still do charter business, man. The car, the right, yes, man. I have a friend run the road, so I just call her, she come watch the shop for me. Because I have a little thing around there, so, man. Sell some veg. Right now, in a white tile, so, man. So that base is cool with it. Yeah, man. Pure joy, man. Everything there. Ginger, carrot, everything there. Alright. No, man. No worry about that, man. When you owe me already, save it. Because next time you charter me again, I'll put that pan. Because I don't know major money that there. Alright? Yeah, man. Do that, man. Oh boy.
Fair.
Wagwan.
You can't check your in about one little piece of roast someone give. I want to charter you. If you turn me go somewhere go look for me, got that. I can't find her, I don't know if she there.
I'm not sure about that though. Where you got that in here?
Kayla.
Oh yeah, man. We can't take your work, man. If I shoot,
How much money have you charged me?
where pass you there?
You know what I'm saying?
You're not sure? It's like I want old age job and to find her.
I'm not too sure she there, but me kind of grown and get some information. Some place around a Groveland, somewhere they want a kitchen, there's something.
Oh, alright then. We can't take your work, man. I'll just call somebody to come go watch the shop.
But you're not telling me how much money you have.
Yo, I'm not 2 kilo, man. Give me 130.
Alright. You ready right now?
Yeah, man, right now, wait. Yeah, Wagwan. Come on, I shop, come go and run off here for me, right? Yeah, man, come here, I go up on the road, I get a roast, right? No, yo, you love money too much. No bother with me. Yeah, man, just come on right now. Come on now, lock up the shop, and I let me see your money. Just hurry up and come. Let you nobody go to go night till I forward. Till you forward, alright? Or me forward back. But more you come, if nobody want to buy, you can't deal with it, right? Alright now. Come on like that. Somebody will come lock up the shop. Oh, see them come. All them are sitting here. We used to do it on the young man, we used to kick football, you know. Good, we are a good player, you know. Look how most we get by for one of the big teams them over someone. You know what I mean? Like Liverpool on them side there.
I like.
Yeah, man. You know, say, it's a girl man do it back in the time, man. And he throw something in my shoes. If he throw something in my shoes, my football skill gone. Because, I tell you, science.
So science different from Obia and the same evil sitting?
No, science is different, you know.
From Obia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Science again is different. Obia, it have a different category, but science.
Obia is soft one and Obia is tough one.
No, science are the one where your family do to you. And your loved one, then science you. Obia are where your enemy do to you. The enemy, Obia you.
Jesus.
So the science one, them are the dangerous one, them mash up your future. Yeah, man. We don't play football and now and rich. You know what I mean? But me give thanks still because I'm still rich still because me a drive and I make money.
So you see something we should put in your shoes?
You know, say after me kick the ball and I realize I can't control the ball again with some white powder in it.
So I can never take out and care about go put in a fear shoes.
You know, say,
Yeah.
we confront her.
And what she say?
And she said, because she love me.
Yeah.
And me there get opportunity to go out with me go with a fine girl, a foreign, and mother too famous here. She confessed to me, man. And after she confessed to me now, you know what go on? She find a rich man and married and gonna live her best life. Oh, I like this girl. I like her, man. You know I like that girl.
Then me go.
The red dragon bar that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, man. I wanna...
But you know up here, man?
Yeah, I know the bar, man. I mark on it too, I can't read, you know.
Oh,
You think I get my license? You think I get license? Yeah. You have to read. What they call that, Ilya?
Thank you.
Thank you. So, when you go here, so now, you think you're going to find her, so? Right? Sound good. You're a good woman, you know. Because if your mother now, because the money your mother, you know, and the mother now look for her. But you.
Right up by the corner.
When them bike man they ride on the road, they ride like them alone on the road. So you fairly give them chance.
No, you park right this up. No, you go up on it. Just right this up.
Fine now, I'm dog up there, go on. You're going.
Park right there, so.
Yeah. Alright, it's a journey.
Come like then and do this. Yes.
If you see her, give her the food.
Yeah.
Alright. You don't want no night for yam. You don't yam.
Hello. Hello. Can you come here, please? Me here say I'm a goddaughter, a friend. You see? What is her name?
Angel.
Angel her name? You know Kayla, not true. Then tell me say then see Anna really well. Me they beg you do. If you can't tell me which part she there, I would appreciate it. I would thank you so much. I would pay you. Me all look for her figure little food. Me know say she pregnant and her mother run her out. And she me a look for cause me no want she there all about the box about with the baby in her belly.
You know one place named Groveland.
No.
But now good on your road, man. And then turn. Right where Aki tree there and go up look a bit more.
Oh.
You can't ask anybody for him this up. Run this up.
So which one like a board house or a wall house?
Board and wall house, me.
Okay. Are you sure say she did it?
That's right, man.
So,
A whole heap of house in her yard.
okay. I'm gonna go find her if I go there. Alright. Alright, I hear mother gave food, but I'm a goddaughter and she hungry here. Yes, alright. Thanks here. Yes, alright.
Yeah. So, when me I say now, you have an idea exactly because we want parking at where you say you want one drink somebody some market.
Yes, yes.
So we follow go in there go. A long time I don't see her still, you know. For your daughter. You say you're the godmother.
I'm a goddaughter.
So are you goddaughter?
Yes, I'm your godmother.
Yeah, yeah. She must bless then.
Yeah.
Long time I don't see her, you know.
Mm.
Alright. You know what she did though?
Why me have to find her, you know?
I want to get the drinks because it's so hot. Yeah. Like how you charter me, you know. You can buy me a drinks too.
Yeah, man. No
But
problem.
that not take out of the money, you know.
No, me not take you out there. Me just buy you a drink.
But the sun hot.
Come, sir. I don't mess with it.
All this morning. Alright, so you can't pay for this bro.
Action.
Pay for them, you know that's all.
At this alone, man?
Yeah, this alone. Listen. This alone more. You know why you cut much of your money coming around for my money. Alright?
Yes, you're going now.
No, me just say me I come here because I don't time me see you.
Everything okay. Because they're here, man.
No, me just so salty.
I'm not girl style that is now, man.
Yes.
Anyway. Yeah. Hello? Give me a second. So you hear what? Go up your, when you go up your mother, you see me?
Okay.
No, just go up your mother, go normal out, you see me? I go for the line now, because you don't know. I go see if I can get a piece of food. So I want a client then.
Make sure.
Yeah, man.
So make sure you call me.
Yeah, man. When me call, I come until me call. If me not call you, no forward. Come now, you interview session. Yeah. Alright. Hello?
Hello? Bob,
Yeah, what you say?
which way you say you live? Hello, Bob.
Yo.
Where you say you live? Because me can't find a way now. Right now, me dey on one road with some bamboo there and me pass one red gate.
What? Wait, which part you there? Alright, you see which part you there? More you fall down straight, you see me? Step upon the same stretch, man. Come down straight. You understand? When you reach the first turn off on your left, you take the turn off, then you take the... I close this part me there, man. Here we do. Come, when you come straight down. Come straight down. When you reach the first turn off, turn on your left. Then when you turn on your left, you have to take your next first left turn. Just come through the gate and come straight on the back.
Alright, me I come.
Right now, make it walk. Just walk between you, Muslim. Yeah, man, no, me there with fire. Alright, yeah. I true there's somebody there. Just come straight on the back. For me, once I last house around there.
Alright.
Yeah.
So how long now you are that the girl godmother?
When she a little baby, you know when baby little and then carry them go to church, go christen them. A friend that time, but how comes me get to know the family because, you see, my goddaughter mother,
Yeah.
me a fear mother, a dead friend. We still talking about we not so close again till we move and we
Where
not
I go
the
find
same
this?
place.
Come up here, so.
Yeah.
Where's you go?
You turn another lane there.
Oh, wow. This a turn
Yeah, but
off here,
then
you know.
say me feel like me can stop and want shop and ask somebody. We want a tree there.
But this a road that look like a piece of money. Yeah, what man look except the money. When this a mash up all of my shacks and all of my things, them.
No, go mash up
Watch
one.
out, look at. I walk and I'm not sleeping police, this a.
Just take time
This a-
and driving.
This a more than police in the road. Yeah, we try. We just buy a car and make a money and fight for a mash up.
You can park.
Park here, so?
Yeah, but careful like big guys.
No, me not go over there and stone there.
Alright,
I
go.
park in the Migla road, so I don't care.
Alright.
How you own the place? Are you own it?
No.
What you say you go ask? Can you shop lock, you know?
But you know, so I not like them kind of lane. I not even see nobody. You can't follow me. Like, go up this or go ask and so cause I don't know nobody in that lane, you know.
You what? You give me a job, you know. I'm an a charter.
Me I go pay
I'm
you,
not
man.
a private investigator. we
No,
see
and
go-
me I go ask a question. I just want you to follow me.
Oh, me go follow you go. Walk up
Like, go right this other yard there. I just want to ask somebody something.
there. You say I can park my car in one place apart. Nobody can nothing to it. That's what look like. Something with bouncy. Because if you have scratches, what take your time in the road? So up here, so you think say you got that today?
That's what me here.
Alright. I go the area though.
Don't know about it.
Oh shit. This I need look like me need help. Me no can with me, you know. Me no can me cutlass, you know. Cause me have a cutlass so me can go a bush, you know. Me no
Some
like
people there over there, so them not think say nothing.
Bob. Beer.
Yo. Come in on one. Let's see how one.
When me say I go on now,
Yeah.
when you say I go on, what really I go on, Bob?
What do you mean by listen now? Listen now. If you don't know, say yo. Why? When you say you want to talk to me, but remember you tell me you want to talk to me.
Bob,
So
listen
what?
to me, you know, cause you see right now, me nah no joke, me nah worry for chattings with you. Imagine, you know, you make me feel like me is the only woman on God earth valuable for you, you know, and you gonna breed my God sister. Oh, you fit do something like that?
Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Me don't tell you anything already. It's just a misunderstanding. You understand?
Misunderstanding for breed next girl?
But listen now. It just happened. It's a miracle baby that. You understand? You never plan out, you never scripture, nothing. You don't, bam, baby come. I don't know how it come, but what's know? You know for yourself, man, you are the apple of my eyes, and you have my heart. You understand? You have the key to my heart, and you alone have the key to my heart, and the girl have the key to my heart. You not fool about nothing.
You see, let me ask you something. So me have a key to your heart, but you can't go lay down with one next female without condom at that.
Listen. I said she set me up. I said she set me up because she set me up. And she put on the condom and say like she pinch the head, pop off it, and make it hole in there. And she set me up. And I know me.
Bob, you see, if I never want thing, I say I should even know.
Sweetheart, calm down, man. Calm down, because I know say I have my heart, I have it on the heart of my place, you know. I don't tell you, I want to travel the world with you, I want to put something on this side, look something here, you know. But we don't reach this, but just one easy, man. We think about it.
So what you going to do if you make up back everything?
Yeah, I don't know, me get them. No, I'm a sister than people. You understand? But you don't know me get them to work already. You know? You know me. I love you. I'm gonna like you, I love you.
Come on.
I'm gonna like you, I love you. You don't fool about nothing because me don't tell her say I'm me and you and this.
Beer.
No.
You forgot me. How would you say?
Yeah.
Baba, who she?
Listen now, watch now.
Don't touch me.
Listen to me now, listen to me.
Don't touch me.
Wait now.
Girl, who you?
Who you? Watch now. Listen now.
I'm me a bad woman. Who you? Me a bad woman too. So who you? Mama.
Listen now, listen to me now. We are do.
So after me pass you out this time, my man here they come. What is a normal girl?
Listen now. Watch
So Baba, who she?
Watch now. Yeah, just
Bob, who she?
listen to me now. My girl, listen to me.
Me told my girl.
Girl, come out here, Bob. Why did you come out here?
I'm eight. No. Watch out.
Bob, let me know you beat. Okay, I see you. Come out here. Don't call on my phone, Bob.
Relax yourself now. Relax now, mama.
Leg off,
Relax now. You have to relax yourself.
Leg on my foot.
Me say if you have to relax yourself.
Me relax.
Relax yourself, man. Relax yourself. Listen now, sit down now.
Bob,
Sit down now.
I'm tired. Bob, you really do me this again after what you do me with Kayla, Bob.
Watch her now. I did not do you, and me no do you know. Me no know her. You know, she said she did.
So who she left her purse if you don't know her? Who for purse that she left?
Sit down, just listen. Alright, sit down, me come clean here. Sit down. Now hear me out. Zin, here so I don't really my place. You understand? My place, me a refurbish. You understand? So me just go and culture so yeah, so it's like a end. You understand? So for me, Virgin, you have the same name as me. He name Bob and then call him B sometimes. You girl not to can't see good. She think of fear, man. If you tell her he's a ends this year.
So you the next Bob favor?
Yeah,
Yeah,
she can't see good. Me I tell her she can't see good. A regular she see different man and think of fear, man. She can't see. You understand? Why you think that sometimes man look so? You can't see good. One eye look so and one eye look so. She can't really see straight.
So I know your place.
I know my place this.
I know your woman that.
It's not my
And the
woman
next
that.
Bob
And
woman.
the next Bob woman when name be. Listen, my place a refurbished, that's how I'm there here, so. It's a ends, that's why it's a ends. You understand?
Bob,
I know my place this
listen to me now. Me out here benefit of dogs. You hear what me I say?
Now hear me.
Because you could have never so wicked.
No, sir, me
If
could
you do
never.
me like what you do me with Kayla, you know.
No,
So here what me
What's Kayla was a mistake, you understand? I'm tell her me sorry about that. Tell her yeah, apple up. I want to be up. Relax yourself, man. Calm down, no, mama. You like my cupcake. My sugar.
That's why I love you, you know.
That's it, baby.
I left me dog, I left you, you know, Bob.
Relax,
I done me dog, I done with this, you know.
Just relax, oh, God. Oh, me love my fatty. My fatty, me love my. Jesus.
Oh, no.
But then I'm going to go and see you good.
You run up my blood pressure a while ago, man.
Push, man, babe, push. Relax.
And look at you make me a fight off a girl.
You look hot too, girls. Oh, God, man. Look, you want to go in the hot tub, baby? Wash it off, wash it down, cool it down.
Come on, we're here. It's our bunch.
Me have your favorite, you know? Me have your favorite snack in a banana.
Mona girl.
Don't go water fashion.
Oh, what a god.
Yeah.
I want to talk to you. Yeah, okay, I'm hungry.
It is a good mind, I know you come here.
But you see, when I say that, because I tell them how much more money I want, Mona.
Say to me, Kayla. You're hungry. Where baby father there? I'm a breeder.
Mona, you know how the situation got already, Mona. What kind of friend you be, Mona?
It's not about what kind of friend you be. You're a good man.
My man a good man. My
I
man
not
just...
feed you.
Me soon find him back. I just run off for a moment. He just run gone for a
He
moment.
will never come back.
You can't say to them something, the girl. Me I come from no. Me know if I go to school, no girl.
So me not there for you, Kayla.
But me I say me hungry now. Me I say me hungry. And that me I say me hungry.
The man that me have. He not stop saying me I give you everything when give me your name down the house and something. So what you want me to do? Make him man cuss me again?
I don't mean when I am on the house. I don't mean when I am on the house. I the baby.
Are you and the baby? You and the baby and them down my house like a chichi.
I don't feel hydrated. Me hungry for true. Me hungry bad.
You don't know from morning? Can I get something to eat now?
Mona, me I live in the state house, Mona.
Oh, from morning, that's me out of wash.
So me I say me hungry if I can't buy something for me eat alone. Me hungry bad.
Me soon come. Go and go rest. Go and be in a rest. Me soon come get something to eat.
Me beard, Mama.
So go and go lay down and rest, baby, go and rest.
I'm hungry, Mona, come
You're
down.
the only breathing woman me see when I sleep at here. What do you? You're torment?
Me not torment, but if me hungry, oh me I go sleep. Hungry people can't sleep.
Me soon come
What
get
is the
something.
problem?
What do me? Good.
So come on,
Yeah,
I am man accountable. Is your man accountable? Your man know this name. Your man know the situation of what me in a. What do you man? Me tell about bad mind people. Say my mother. So she dash me out on my own. All this way. God see and know the whole I wanna go and perish.
Maybe do you want to say next time? If I'm like, I'm going to get rid of the baby, but it's too old. Probably didn't know the process.
Me not get rid of my picnic now. I not get rid of my picnic. I go and bring my child. So what kind of advice I tell them about to get rid of it? Get rid of which picnic? Did the guy pagan?
Yeah.
Don't call my picnic no that.
Please, baby.
Leave my baby alone.
Very stiff door.
Yes, leave my baby alone.
I didn't get up so. Me say, you know someone mash a crime to me do always have a big belly. And I look hungry.
Me hungry rich where I'm not eating up.
You know, I go pay you. I want you beat up one girl for me. Me and you go on the crime. You can push her down and me kick her.
Riri, you serious? I have a big belly in front of me?
I say hungry.
That don't say all me can do is follow
Give
you.
me
No,
money.
alright, me hungry. Me tell you what to do. All me can do is follow your goodie.
No, you can't push her, girl.
Me go follow your goodie and push the girl so that me gone left you. That's all.
No. Give me my money.
Girl, so why you can't be why you fight the girl for?
Girl, me see girl in the house with me man.
Just like set it me for the have to bust up on girl face to me man, you know. If all no me say all man are dogs.
Right. You're poke heads if I get
Yes.
addicted.
Come me can't be say your man I give you bun, so why can't man I give you bun?
Me don't know. Why is it on that girl there? That big fat girl there. And look how me see man nice.
Big fat girl take your man?
Yes!
Me bad girl. I saw one that take me man for show.
So girl, what do?
Me don't know, you know. But me know somebody did beat her, big, small, anything.
You can't grab on me head, girl. Come on. Me
Girl,
must
come
try,
on, me
girl.
shall help you. Come in front of fat girl.
Make sure you see a belly big. Come on. Mama, man, push me. Come on.
You know, I know you make girl take your man, you know, because girl can't take my man.
You know, oh, me made a fat girl take me man a swear.
You're full bad.
You're stupid. Girl, just take me man. Oh, yeah, me take me man. Come on. Come on, girl. Alright, that's all.
Wait. Something meant to ask all along before we reach Boston, right? Please remember. Describe the girl who me I go beat. Come on, no, I'm straight it. I want to kick her.
Tick. She tardy.
She tell her that you. You remember?
I
Oh, you
think
feel me?
so.
Mama, you can't go. Mama, Remember, say me I breathe, you know.
Mama,
I told
she
me
brown.
hungry.
And I ate it up now one.
She brown. What's she name?
Me no know the girl name. Me say me no know the girl. And I know they come back once in the man with the girl in bed. And me just get
Alright, so I'm gonna do. So we go in there. I will buck up on the girl. You jump on first because you're a man.
Alright.
You understand? And me stop and look for you.
What do you mean by stand up and come? Me girl, me
Mama.
pay give me money then.
Mama, listen to me, mama. Me belly big. Where want me to go do? Go in there, go lick
Who
up
the
the picnic.
girl? Who the
Girl.
girl and me
Alright.
beat her?
Me can't hold her. She will lick me gut. I mean, I lose me baby second. No, for my baby, I
A
come from.
2-1 girl.
Exactly. You jump on her, me jump on her after. Go on first because you're a man yard.
Alright, come on.
You don't want. Come on now.
Say I move some.
I don't give me a bad girl. Go on.
Shit, where's the pan now?
No, just say me I come look for you.
Ah, when it's going to so. Gone are the day you couldn't find a piece of money on the road. I can't find $1. 4 cents. Huh? If a dog bite them, bite your first.
Nah, that was excellent.
Okay. See the girl, yeah. What?
What's on
Yeah, again. Where ya do ya? Me come back for bossy girl. Ay! Wait! Where are you doing again? Girl! Yeah, tell me man too! Shut up the man! You can't beat me! Yeah, breathe, I don't really come up. Hey, my friend, girl! We are not friend now. When I walk again, I'm very fun and you take girl. Girl! I see friend in the breathe, girl. No salt, tell me. Girl! Yeah, tell me man! Yeah, tell me man! Tell me man! I'm a baby father! Bob, let me go, Bob. You don't be bad now, Bob. Bob, me tired. Bob, me tired, Bob. Bob, let me go, Bob. Look how long you run down, Bob. You don't run eyes again, Bob. Bob. Oh, God, Bob. You can't take it on my Bob.
You see you,
Bob, you can't take it on my Bob. And you.
Like what people are, you know. So yes, it's money, sir.
Oh, I'm on money. You see, me say, the whole of them texted for me, man. The whole of them.
Okay, well, listen to them, man, because it's about Taylor.
You see you, Bob? See you, Bob? I'm sorry, I do me, Bob. Bob, let me go, Bob. It's a one got the dark shit, Bob. Bob, move. Bob, move. What's my girl?
What's up? What is that?
Auntie?
Mommy.
You see that they beat me over, man? Your daughter beat me over. My baby daddy control the daughter, you know. Maybe now what about your daughter, you know. Yeah.
How much is that?
How are you?
How money then? How money me come find them.
Which money that
She
now?
charter me today and she go pay me, but you charter me for what? You don't know see my money.
You have no money now, bro.
You don't know money
Money
now.
I suffer.
So this money have my money.
Yes.
hello, I want to figure it out, I want my money. Whole day what they charter me. Now your godmother charter me today. And say, I want to find you, me take the opportunity to come. Because I don't want to lock you up with it, make you have a baby in a jail. Because if you have a baby in a jail, you know, so I'll give the baby to the state.
I don't really want to chat to you.
I want to go on now, Candy.
What?
So me carry come find your granddaughter,
Hold on.
your
Hello, sir.
goddaughter.
Please can come out here, son. I need to talk to you.
Him? I don't know, sir. I want that.
So you look like you get a penny from him too. I look like him a grow. I 5 with me. So
She didn't try to prove a pint and she stuck with the pint.
Hold on.
I want to go on here, so.
What kind of bangarang jing bang whole pan sitting here they going in this?
I two sister you there with boy.
Hello. Where you doing?
Where you going good? I two if you there with two sister. How is sister?
Hold on, let me drive. Wait. Where you doing up here?
Mommy, this morning when you leave,
So all along you know where Kayla did meet me. Where you doing, son?
I can't look for Babu. If talk to him on the phone, me not chat.
Hello.
On the phone, I could explain things to him so I can talk to him in person. Then she show.
No. Me up on the road and I'm hungry like a dog.
Hold on. Where did we begin? Are you baby father?
I'm being for this now. But him, me don't say up here now.
So who first day with who?
I'm me and him first day. And he give me one with
And
that.
me and him first day.
You don't supposed to do talking to Paul Cafe. Who supposed to look? No me.
Hello. Remember
One
see me your
hour,
godmother.
you know,
Hey,
This is nicer than Jerry
Hold
Springer,
on,
man.
sir. Come over here.
Only popcorn me
Now
need
listen
and a
to
seat
them.
and all.
Now listen to them. You stay right there, son. This won't deal with you. Just stay right there, son.
But for only a scammer, man.
Settle your nerves, man. Not talk to them. Just stay right there, son. Kayla,
Hmm?
are you baby father this?
Yes, that's what nobody saw.
Looking at my eye, Kayla. You didn't know say no ambition at all?
Me never know, me just know. The young and fool, I know me still young.
Kayla,
Hmm?
you know no ambition. Then you sit here. You take up.
Hey, listen to me.
Your
Listen to me,
daughter,
man.
take up it too.
You tell you come out of me yard,
You
that
talk
bad
about
boy,
me,
you
talk
come.
about your daughter.
Hold on. I'm on it. You rank, you swear to the mother.
You say,
Remember,
tell
you can't
hey.
drink with me, you know. Hello, sir. Come back right here.
Yeah, you don't mention me, because that is not a mother. Nobody now put
Don't
out their
touch
sleep
me,
on the road.
Kayla. People tell me say you're there, so me really come find you up here.
Look like you want breed her behind your
Up
back.
here. Leave me that alone. Please, me, baby.
How will you get this driver from?
No, I'm a friend for a long time and I'm a driver.
No, go on and do, me
Me have
watch.
to go pay me
Go on and watch, me
Kayla,
watch.
you know how much money me have to go give driver? Because you know there your mother yard, you're gonna a man
And she
yard.
want me money to me never tell. Hey, I never tell you, you know. I never tell you. So what there? She charter me, I don't get paid, you know. She charter me to go for this one here.
I know, mister, I know,
Daddy.
somebody else.
Hold on,
The mother, listen to me. Mommy get up and dash me or throw me a beg money from fine people. She take up me and dash me out. So I'm gonna look for him. I'm gonna look for him, buck up on them, maybe see two of them.
With the belly?
Yes. And me and she walk off. Me think
Hello.
that me and her
You
a
know
friend.
manners, you know, me can't see it.
Think that me and her a
You
friend.
can't
We
feel.
good. Ready me
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Listen,
You back again with me,
Me
baby.
and
Daddy.
talk
I
to my
want.
daughter and my goddaughter and you run and so I
Alright,
cause
talk to
problems. Stay right there so I don't move. I need to talk to you. So your mother dash you. Me hear about
Yes.
this story. So me did carry some food for you, me and not see you. No, you dey hope you so they in a worried woman.
No.
You can't dey fight with the belly, Kayla.
Me say, let me feed the belly. I want a girl by the name Riri. When I'm a new friend name, you know. Say, one girl take her man. So she pay me 500 to come beat the girl. When me call her, no me baby father and she.
Low life.
Eh?
Kayla, what kind of style is you take up?
Me a suffer, you know.
Eh?
Me a suffer.
Kayla, what kind of style this you take up?
Me a suffer.
You're not suffer because me used to take care of you and me still a take care of
Me
you.
a suffer now.
Then if you're going to take up sufferation, poverty no must come down upon you.
No, say that.
Eh? And them a kind of low life
no,
here. So me used to warn you.
Go on with them now,
Kayla, are you
driver.
me comfort? What turn up out
They're
there?
ready, they're ready.
Oh, are you have the money to get that one?
No,
here?
Mommy, me I go, me I.
No.
Go on in a car.
One in
if
the car.
you-
Me a come.
Your
You are
godmother
belly. So
is
you
a
cannot get away with certain
blessing.
things.
It's a blessing your godmother be can go pay for you today. If she can't pay for you, you wanna go to jail.
Where you want me, Nina?
Mommy, me and him not in a
Talk to your mother, talk up.
Mommy, me and him not in a nothing. You tell me say fi leave him alone and me leave
Yeah,
him
we know
alone.
nothing.
Me
We
just
know
come
No
fi-
boy.
Listen on, mommy.
Nah,
Wait,
get
no.
my goddaughter
Listen up.
pregnant
Listen up.
and feel say them can scratch her and no mind
Listen up,
ability.
listen
And
up,
plus they
listen
with
up,
me
listen
daughter
up,
too.
listen up.
So your
No,
sister them
no,
a sister, you
no,
know.
me and them are there.
So your family.
Yeah, no one in there.
No,
Yeah,
me
no.
not see
So what
them.
you do back
No,
here,
no,
Make your
man?
hand for me, sir.
What you do back here, man, if you ain't not there?
Hello, so you're there with
Baba,
me
this
two
one,
daughter
yeah,
there.
this one, me,
We
Baba.
not, we not there.
You're not licking. I want to find a bite in the eye.
Yeah, bite in the
Bite out in the eye. Yes, yes. You can't breathe me daughter. You're dirty. Wait, you
Can't believe it.
dirty boy. You go down, sir. You. Walk, please.
Well, it's a good thing. You find everybody one place.
Come on, driver.
Extra money for the heavyweight you're doing in front seat. Ready? Alright, no man. Obviously we go work out. You me a fair price set already, but me never tell her when you just chat, alright? This girl take the car what they already. For one whole day me drive around the whole the place. Said she go pay me. She no pay me, she run off and I sitting there. So
How much money she owe you?
how much you in chat? How much you owe me again?
$200.
200 US.
Why about 200 US?
Because we go serve, and after we go serve, we come back and then we go to a different place and then we come back. Right?
You're too expensive at that with you now.
But she run off and not pay me.
Me pay it, man.
Alright.
I got that.
But no, me tell her, say, if I you know, everything good. Alright.
Yeah, I got that also.
Alright.
I'm responsible
So
for
this
it.
is one of your real daughter. Me see her on the place, man. See her on the place. Look like she love man though. I don't know how she do up to take her own sister, man. Anyway, let's go. Man.
Rasta man, if you don't know a story in a chat.
No, but don't they fight on the beach what there? It one day fight on the beach. So that's why I say you love your God sister, man.
Cause she loves me baby daddy.
Oh boy. Alright. Man, now we can't hide. We have to do the work. Take what you take and you go do what you do. You see it? Yeah man, so we there go and try uplift the movie industry from nothing to something. We see Africa do it, we go do it too. You know what I mean? We do music for the world. So now we are trying to do music for the world too. You know what I mean? We get a lot of fight, but even now, we still do it day and night. You know what I mean? So the youth them future bright. You know what I mean? So when possible when the youth them born and say they want to turn movie star, them can turn movie star because I did already. I'll put nobody over my Jamaican people. You know what I mean? Likewise I want nobody put nobody over me. You know what I mean? So we just move with the movements to develop the movie in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So we say one love to everyone out here in the world. We support the movements, give thanks. Because without uno help, we wouldn't make it thus far. You know what I mean? And with the 99, so just 1,000, less than 1,000 more to get you 100K. You know what I mean? And no matter if you have in a night, no matter if you have in a day, still have to do work same way. We still a fight for this movie business in Jamaica. Live and live in color. So big up all of the sponsors them and all of the donation people them from the beginning. We're not getting no donation now since recently. That means that the world I feel it. I know we alone I feel it, but still I do it for no. No budget. So when you hear nice in the movie, remember say some of the time as some music I play. At some place and we have to play one rhythm look a bit higher than the music so we don't get no strike from the copyright. Right? And the thing not structured yet. I want to move from this location for shooting purposes. One at a time then. Before we don't have so much noise with the vehicle them. But for now, come look what I go on. With the right on the main road. To that Sunday. Today's a Sunday. If it was the next day in the week, you'd hear more car pass. You understand how we shoot more in the week than on the weekend. On the Sunday, people want to go there and go cook Sunday dinner and them something there. You know what I mean? But as you can see, we're on the roadside, so we really apologize for the noise of the vehicle, the big truck, but we can do better for now. Big bike a pass and truck a pass. So I talk about everything a pass. So that some of the time is the problem. But we are investing in some mic we can block out the sounds. But I don't like to have the money like that for now. So we are doing the best we can do. But you see that movie there we just watched a while ago. It's a long road. It take a long road down. We have a whole heap of things. We have a movie though. It's a long road and it take a long road to do it. But we look out for that movie there come soon. It's a long road. But anyway, big up to all the people them who want to make Jamaica better. Alright? So let's push to that. You know what I mean? Because we have to believe in ourselves. We have to push ourselves. You know what I mean? We can do it. Jamaica. You know what I mean? So we're pushing it to the world because we have brought here in this Caribbean to slavery, right? And we're still there. You know what I mean? We're just brave and fight way out of it. One movie at a time. You know what I mean? You know, nice, you know, pretty. Lots of hungry days. But we need not talk about that. Because it's just like reggae music in its prime. We're doing the same thing and we're not pre no crime. But in this industry, you're gonna face with a lot of bad mind. You know what I mean? Lots of people that are unkind. But anyway, we're searching to find what's our real destiny. So someday we'll be out in the world shooting movies same way. We just wanna tell our story on our terms. You know what I mean? Our vice. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so no one is better than no man. But man have better opportunity than some. You know what I mean? So I not teach you them to bust no gun. I want the youth them have long life and have fun. Bring the youth them come. You know what I mean? See Jah shine the sun and fall the rain. And it's a woman was made to feel the pain and man was made to suffer. I don't know if that make I suffer so much in Jamaica, but anyway, if I saw the book say, so my time we have to change it. Let's go.